I'm looking at the REEHUT exercise bike now. I'm going to open it up and put it together and see how it goes. I'll just open the top on it. It's all on tray inside. There's the bits and the instructions. This probably lifts out in one, I'll see. Oh no, it comes out in parts. Okay. Come out in one part, I think so. Let's turn it upside down. That's out. It seems very well protected with polystyrene. Some bits in there, part of the frame. Right, I shall get it all out and all set up, and then I shall put it together. I've now got everything out and unpacked. I've got all the protection off it. It's all very well protected. Took a while to strip the packaging off, but next thing I'll do is put it together and give it a test out. It's all done now. Wasn't too bad to put together. When I try it out, I shall adjust the saddle and bars on it. Test that. That's linked up. Anyway, I shall next thing I shall give it a try out, see what it's like. Well, I'm trying it out now. I adjusted the seat and the height of the handlebars. That seems to work quite well. You've got the tension adjustment. It's quite good. Yeah, it seems quite solid. Obviously I'm going to give it a lot more use, and then I shall come back with my full written review. You've got the modes on here, speed and distance. You can see that adjusts. That links up to the bike. Anyway, as I say, I shall give it a lot more use, and then I'll come back with my full review.